Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE Advanced. Begin by mapping the syllabus and allocating weekly topics with clear milestones, then build a study block that mixes theory, solved examples, and timed problem practice to build speed and accuracy. Use concept maps to connect ideas, revisit tough topics every week, and track progress with short quizzes to keep momentum and confidence high throughout your preparation. Create a realistic weekly plan that blends focused theory blocks with regular problem solving, and set daily micro goals to avoid burnout. Start each week by revising one major topic, practice varied problems for 60 to 90 minutes, and close with a quick self-test to identify weak spots. Keep a revision log, adjust the plan based on mock performance, and maintain consistent, small gains to build deep understanding and exam readiness. Focus on high-quality practice by choosing problems that test multiple concepts and require creative steps. Time yourself on sets of 5 to 10 problems, then review solutions carefully to learn alternate approaches and common traps. Keep a mistake notebook to record errors and revisit them weekly, and periodically simulate exam conditions to build stamina and reduce exam day anxiety, while improving accuracy and time management for challenging calculus questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.